Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to unboxing this GTX300 RGB keyboard. Also the mouse included. So this is my brand new RGB keyboard. So this is in white color, but mine is like this. So yeah, let's open the box. Wow, so here's the keyboard and mouse as well. Also the mouse got the RGB light. Let's take out this keyboard first. This is not wireless. Both of them are not wireless. It's a wired. So here's the keyboard. Not bad for the pattern of like this. It's a circle and the white background is actually for the RGB light, red, blue and green. So yeah, let's put it here and let's check out the mouse. So here's the mouse, very light. Of course it's cheap and the pattern is really nice, a gaming pattern. Also the white background is actually for the RGB like I mentioned just now. So now let's install to my PC. Alright, as you can see right there is my original old keyboard and mouse. That one is Logitech, same goes to that one. Alright, so let's remove the USB. This one is wired and this mouse is wireless. My brand new keyboard and mouse. Both of them are wired like I mentioned just now. Let's open this rope. Let's test the mouse and the keyboard. And it works. Now let's test the keyboard. Also for the mouse, it works perfectly. Nice click. Alright. Also the keyboard, it works. My brand new keyboard and mouse with RGB light.